Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Peti Tengah Street. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Peti Tengah Street on November 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Peti Tengah Street. Today is the 1st of November 2021. So I will show you how look like the situation at the moment in Seminyak area after 2 weeks. Then Pasar International Airport are open. And also at the end of this video, I will explore Kayu Jati Street. Okay guys, now we back to the Peti Tengah Street. Actually, I already explored this area 3 weeks ago on October 2021. So you can compare how the different in October and early November. You see on the main street? Yeah, there is some car driving around in this area, also some motorbike, and that was a tourist driving motorbike. Actually, I'm gonna say it's like almost the same as last month, not so much different. Some shop already open and also some shops still closed. Also in the restaurant. See the right side? That is very famous ice cream shop in Seminyak. And as we know together, in this area there is a lot of big hotels, some shop and restaurant. So that's why in this area, even before the pandemic corona, there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. But usually there is a lot of car in this area because in this area we have very famous restaurant and also nightclub. We call Potato Head. Oh, there is some tourists buy something in the art shop. That's really good. You see the right side? Yeah, there is the tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. And I will try to upload every day the video on 6 AM Bali time. You see on the right side? Yes, there is the taxi parking there. They're waiting for the customer. And at the front right side, yeah, there's hotels. But you see, on the road, it's not so quiet, isn't it? There's not so many cars drive around today. Actually, I'm gonna say in Bali, around this month, it will be busy only when weekend. Because there is a lot of people from other island outside Bali. They come to Bali to make vacation just during the weekend. Another taxi parking. Yeah, there is some taxi parking around here. That is good. I'm gonna say sorry on this video. I've been speeding, driving by motorbike, because I just want to show you how the condition on the road. Yeah, there is some car parking and also some taxi there. Actually, I'm gonna say it's not so bad. It's better than last month actually. Same quiet, but it's better. Village temple right side. And behind the temple, there is Peti Tengah Beach. Yeah, if I turn right at the front, that is the way to go to Peti Tengah Beach. But I turn left to explore Kayu Jati Street. And I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kayu Jati Street. Yeah, now we are in Kayu Jati Street. Mexicola left side. And hotel left side. Yes, there's some car parking there. That is good, not so bad. And left side, there is traditional restaurant, Indonesian restaurant, and some car parking there. Right side is B Villa, but look quiet. So what do you think this area? Still look very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Peti Tengah Street and Kayu Jati Street. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.